So really, it's about time that everybody realized that activist judges they're just ruining the country. The latest example now is the policy in which President Trump, the immigration policy where he wants asylum seekers to be processed in Mexico rather than in the US at the US border. Reason being because they have so many thousands of people coming over and claiming asylum who do not have legitimate grounds for claiming asylum. It's really just a tactic that they're employing in order to overwhelm the system and be released into the United States. So his solution was, okay, we'll process the asylum claims in Mexico so that those who don't have legitimate claims for asylum never get inside the United States. And we've seen that activist judge has basically tried to block that policy. I think the latest I read was that his decision has been overturned. He cannot block that policy from being implemented. It just goes to show you what the problem really is with these activist judges. We're talking about people who not only are not US citizens and are not US residents, but haven't even set foot on US soil. Thus, they're not in any way entitled to the kind of due process requirements that people that live here or people that are citizens of the US are entitled to. So how on earth can a judge be ruling that no, you can't process them in Mexico, you have to bring them to the United States? It makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. But then it isn't designed to make sense. It's just about a person who is in a privileged position of being a judge. But rather than basing their rulings on what the actual laws are and what is actually legal, they're making rulings based on a predetermined outcome that they want to see achieved. It's really ridiculous, and I've had just about enough of it. I've been reading that Trump has been appointing a lot of new judges, and criticism has been leveled that what he's trying to do is stack the courts. Well, I hope he succeeds in doing that, because it's just got to the point where it's just completely ridiculous. We can't have judges that are making up their own laws as they go along to suit the outcomes that they want to see rather than what the actual laws state. So I'm sick and tired of it. Anyway, that's all. Catch you guys next time.